70% of 24.
What does that mean?
It's very thick from the beginning
to the end.
Yeah.
Can we have that one?
Yeah, can we see that one?
This is just 40% of 24
高一点
inches,
幅度，
right?
对，高一点幅度，对，让他看一下。
Can you
Yeah.
Where to put this?
24，这样放这行。这个都是这也24的哈。
Even like this, you feel the difference.
Yeah. This
At some point.
So
Yeah.
it comes down.
Yeah.
So this is how many percent?
How many percent?
about 50 to 60,
50%?
50 to 60，50%到60，差不多。
Yeah.
She wants like 80%.
80
Yeah.
80的幅度
把这幅度的需要定做，
可以做，但是customized.
Oh, so if you wanted to
And
customize it for you.
calculate the price.
The
You know,
price,
price
okay.
high. Yeah.
How much is 100 grams of this?
Which length?
Of
I will offer you
Okay.
a price list. You just check
Okay.
the quality now. Yeah.
Because
and,
now I want mine to be very high quality.
Yeah. You can check the hair. Yeah.
Yeah.
And touch, feel if silky. Yeah.
Mine's a bit soft.
Yeah. Yours is softer.
还有后处理是吧？还有后处理是吧？after process, will feel
this is
better.
on process.
对，yeah.
Can you have that processed so that you see the difference?
Like wash.
Yeah, can we have
yeah.
the process so we
process.
can
Yeah.
see the difference?
The processed one so that we can see the difference.
Yeah. You after
The
process.
finished one, the
The
one you
fin-
have finished.
Yeah.
We want
Yeah.
to have a feel of it.
Feel it?
We want to see it.
这个幅度最好摸一下。这个是半成品，但是可以做。
可以做
Which one is it?
This is a material. I mean, if you want 80%,
okay.
we can customize the. Yeah.
This is Chinese hair?
No.
This is Myanmar.
Myanmar. Yeah.
Oh, this is hard. Compared to
Because
what you
it's
had
thick.
here.
Huh? Thick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you can at the end and thick. Yeah. Usually, 50 to 60%. This is, up to common quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to see the process, the one they
Yeah.
finish? You see, you said they have not finished with this one.
Yeah.
They are going to wash it and do some things to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before
Can we see the
they sell it.
process?
Yeah.
We want to see the one that they have already done everything.
You want to see the finished
The
one?
finished
Yes,
one.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But I also
okay.
want to see the process.
We look around step by step.
Okay.
Okay.
But you have to go with this so that you know how it feels like. See?
Yeah. Usually big wholesaler like.
这不是2楼这个成品之间。
对。
看见成品。
Yeah, 50 to 60% is good. I mean, up to average.
Average.
Yeah, up to average. Yeah.
Okay. Can we take this with us? Like just to see the difference with the finished product?
OK. 他想拿着对比一下这个半成品和成品，
它是一样的，那行可以。
就是他想试一下，就是这处理后的什么有什么不一样，然后可以吧？然后
行啊，可以，
可以吧？
可以
就拿一条就行了啊。
行，
走。
这些这一代了和这一代都一样，如果有多些，他们几个人分情况分档。
So So did you dye this? Did you color this?
Yeah, after bleach.
After bleaching. Okay.
After bleach. This part, this step, make non-Remy hair to Remy hair. Non-Remy hair to Remy hair by manual work.
This is water.
You make the hair same direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what kind of chemical do you use?
他几点来的？
我不知道。
What kind of chemical they use?
Conditioner. Conditioner?
Conditioner?
Yeah.
Just conditioner?
Yeah, just conditioner make the hair
Smell like
silky.
This smells like relaxer.
Is
No?
it just conditioner?
Yeah.
It smells like a relaxer to make the hair. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then what is she doing?
What?
Because she's brushing the hair.
Yeah, make the hair. Yeah, that's conditioner.
Oh, okay.
Water. Conditioner water. Make the hair silky. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. This part.
And then after they wash it, they bring it here?
Yeah, wash it here, and soft water,
Okay.
soft water, not natural water. It's
Okay.
soft.